Welcome to Cowlendar. This video shows how you can create your first bookable service. Step 1. You need to go create a product. Click on Products on your Shopify dashboard. Click on New Products. Write a title and upload an image.
Make sure the product status is active.
Also make sure that your product is available in the online store, otherwise you will not be able to make a bookable service out of it. Click Save.
Step 2.
Now go to Apps and click on Cowlendar app. Click on New Booking Page. Then click on Pick a Product and search for product created during Step 1. Pick it and click on Add.
Now you're free to set up your service as you wish.
For instance, if you're only available on weekdays from 9 to 19, you can do the following. Select Monday to Friday in the drop-down. If you've got a break time between 12 and 2 p.m., then add a break time. Go to Set a Break Time and add from 12 to 14. When you're done setting everything, click Save.
Now you're back on the dashboard.
If you want to preview your service, scroll down. Then click on My Services. There you can either edit it or preview it. Click on Preview. Once on your product page, you can see there is a Book Now button. Click on it to see how it works.
Voila, it works.
Once you've created one bookable services, you can create as many as you want. And if you have any issue, feel free to contact us using the live chat.